Hello kids, today we learn additions. So let's start. 1 plus 2 equal is 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 equal is 5 is 5. 2 plus 2 equal is 4 is 4. 3 plus 2 equal is 5 is 5. 4 plus 2 equal is 6 is 6. 5 plus 2 equal is 7 is 7. Subscribe for more videos.